set up yet. It's super sick. You just click star and then fork, and then boom, you got all the code that I have, and it's updated every single day. As you can see, 20 hours ago, updated. 20 hours ago, updated. So I'm working on AI agents that actually trade here. This project explores the potential of artificial financial intelligence, a focusation of AI for trading and investing. Dude, very important. This is experimental. Make sure there's no guaranteed profits or anything like that here. We're AI agents for trading that leverage AFI. 4 years of experience in human boot camp. We're exploring AI agents complement trader operations and later replace trading operations. So my idea here is, okay, we have an AI agent that manages risk. You're off managing risk, awful at managing risk. Humans are awful at managing risk. So why not have an AI agent do that? Step two would be, okay, now let's see if it can open and close some. I implemented a simple LLM agent. Nah, I don't think it's going to be super good. This is where I think it's going to be powerful here, the strategy, because we can all build our own strategies and build out our own edge. So what I want to do here today is just keep building on this. I have a ton of things on my list. I explained too much, but everything. You can see I'm at 0 uses today, and my KPI is 200 uses a day. I hit it yet, but that's because I yapped too much. So for your viewing experience and my getting shit done experience, I am going for 200 AI per day, yap free and focus. So I'm gonna turn my tunes on here and just dive all the way in. Please do throw the 777 in that. That's spreading good vibes, that's spread love. Dude, you could have anything in this world as long as you lead with love. That's it. That's it. So you can see where now you understand how to get all of the keep up with me. Just go to moondev.com. I give you more just the code actually. I give you a full trading rep Discord and GitHub. Sorry for the sketch looking website. It's just simple. I'm a dude. You can about how I think about things and claim your starter pack. It gets you the roadmap. It gets you the Discord. Everything you need to get started with automated trading. Your roadmap here is absolutely sick, dude. Step by step how to do. And then here in the AI section is where the GitHub right here, and you can go ahead and just start to save it and fork it to copy and all of the. So now you're up to speed, and now it's game time. So much love to you. Thanks for coming through, and let's lock in for the rest of the day. Yes, this part. Love this part, dude. Guess what? We're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go right into the first most important thing. Yesterday I built out this essentially I built out this agent, or the start of this agent, that essentially uses the API in order to, so this is the API. It gets all the data that I need because I'm a data dog. And there's not a problem. Well, maybe kind of a problem. Let's go to the dev.
Living someone else's. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Stay hungry, stay foolish, dude. And read this. Don't be too foolish not to read this, because read that while I get my server open, because my server is where I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Not so much of a problem, kind of a problem. Just I foresee something happening. And essentially what's happening is I'm running up my credits here on Bird Eye already. And I just need to not do that. So I have an idea to fix that. Essentially, I'm using this one API call to get all the recent transactions so I can build out a copy trader agent. So copy bot agent here, copy trader agent.py. Essentially what I'm building here is this. I'm building out a copy trade agent that essentially will look at transactions from people on my copy list on Solana and then it will go ahead and maybe buy or sell based on what they think. So we'll see everything that's traded. We will send in the data and we'll give the LLM an option in order to make the trade or not. And these will be pretty much buy and hold type trades, looking for big upside like 30x before closing. But that is the idea behind the copy trade agent. And I am building that utilizing Birdeye and Helios. Okay, so that's it. And then turn this stuff off right now before I get copyright. That's what I listen to. Oh, you can't even see this, dude. Sorry. Now you can. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is say save. Please update this so it is more readable because it's one long sentence right now. And then just give a project overview in the noted out part like I started. Okay, so we're just gonna use AI for everything. So copy trade agent, perfect. Perfect. Okay, that's what we're building. So now that we know what we're building, I'm gonna jump into this to my server here. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna jump into the server here, and under the copy bot, I have the Watch TX's PP, and essentially here, Watch TX's PP, big licks. Oh my God, that's a big liquidation, dude. Holy smokes. That is a big boy. Look at this, dude. 11 million and 5 million, dude. Damn, he got wrecked. They've been looking for him. They've been looking for that boy. Damn, dude. That's a killer. Holy smokes. I'm marking that down. I gotta mark that down. That's 11 million on ETH, dude. I haven't seen a big one like that in a minute. So this is 11M. I just like to see how the price reacts to that. It's like, are they stalking somebody? Is there more to come? You don't know. You don't know. All you can do is watch the data because we dated dogs. 5.6 M. It's got to be some sort of level. We'll see though. That is one hell of a lick, dude. 11 million at 6:33 in the morning. Ah, they're gonna have a great morning, aren't they? Damn, dude. I just feel bad for them. Please stop using leverage. Please stop trading by hand. Those are my only two public service announcements for you humans out there. I build for AI. I build for AI. I don't really need to talk to humans anymore, which is super sick. All right, so copy trade agent and dev. I'm gonna go here and say watch TX's pp.py. So here I'm testing a new way to watch TXs. So we only call when the Helios API shows a new TX. Okay, so that's the idea. So I'm essentially just running it up too hard on my Birdeye right now, and it's not going to be sustainable. Yes, that's exactly it. That's exactly what I'm trying to say, dude. That's all I got for you. So I'm actually going to go to my copy trader because I was working on this here. So Notion, that's not it. This is my, let's delete that. Let's go here to cursor. My copy bot is where all of this code I was working on it from. There it is. MoonDev API call here. So watch TX's PP. Here it is. Okay, 6. So this is parallel processing. But before, so what I want to do here is, so the current problem with this file is that the BirdEye costs for running the transaction list is very high. So what I want to do is I want to implement Helios in order to check the wallet before we go ahead and run the BirdEye API call. So essentially, we will look to see if there's been a transaction on the wallet using Helios since the last time we looked at the transaction. And if there has been a transaction, then call the BirdEye API. I'm also open to other ideas you may have on how to best do this, but you know the problem now. At TXList wallet to fetch transactions is super expensive for credits. The way using Helios in order to go ahead and check to see, make sure that there's been a transaction or something. Essentially, we are, again, trying to only call this if there's been a transaction since the last time we called it. We don't have to keep calling it. You see what I'm saying? So if you have anything to add here, please let me know. Please first walk me through the approach that we're going to take, and then go ahead and update all of the code. And before I do that, let me copy this because you know me, dude. Damn, these order books are whipping, boy. We got some licks coming through. That big lick, dude. Big lick, big lick. Okay, I hope you optimize this to reduce BirdEye API costs. Here's the proposed approach. Track last check time. Create a JSON file to store the last check time. We checked each wallet. This will help us maintain states between each run. Helios precheck. Before calling BirdEye, use Helios get assets by owner endpoint. This is more cost effective and will tell us if there have been any activity. Compare the transaction timestamp with our last check time. Only call BirdEye's expensive TXList endpoint if we've never checked this wallet before or Helios shows a new transaction activity. D dot Helios API key. Let's reapply this. What's going on, dude? Where's my accept button? How do I accept this stuff, dude? Maybe it's still working. Oh, it's still working on it. Okay.
You only get one ticket. Might as well enjoy the ride and just
do what the fuck you wanna do. Okay, so please also make sure there's ample prints that show me whether we are calling it again or not, and when the last time we called it, and if there is a new transaction, and so on and so on. Just make it super easy for humans to read. I'll add more detailed print statements to make the process more transparent. And then also, let's go get the docs here. Helios docs. Holy fuck, dude. That was a big lick. They're looking for somebody else. There was another big lick too. 2.95 right here. So 2.95 at 100,096 or 100,000 essentially. Dude, this doesn't even show it though. Yeah, it does. It doesn't even show that low. Damn, he got licked at the very bottom. You see this? 100,094. It's like he got licked somewhere else and he was using cross margin. Because look at this, dude. He got licked at 100,357, but it hasn't even touched 100,357. I've seen this a couple times now, but you can see. I think what's happening is he's using cross margin here, and he got a long on BTC and ETH. So when he got licked at 3617, yeah, or something, because this is quite confusing, and I've seen this happen in the last couple of days twice. The prices almost don't add up. Now I know this one is spot, so if I go to Ethereum here, spot crypto, spot swap, this is the one. It might not be the one. It's Binance. It's not spot. Yeah, so you can see he got licked right 3.6. It's like doesn't even get there. So it's like he's using cross margin or something, and it doesn't even hit the price, and that sucks, dude. That means that he got liquidated because that just sucks. Sucks for him. $17 million. I know this is the same person because he got liquidated at the exact same time, meaning that he's probably using cross margin or something like that. I don't know. Maybe you know better, but that's just the Binance WebSocket. So this is where you're going to get your starter pack. You're going to get the roadmap, Discord, and GitHub. It's crazy, dude. I give this all away for free. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I want to go to Helios documentation. Helios documentation. API reference here. Um, docs helios.dev. Okay, let's add in docs. I always forget how to do this. Not that. Excuse me. Reapply. Not quite sure, dude, to be honest. I forget all the time. So add docs. Add docs. Yep. Add new doc. Helios. Well, let's run it first. 9184. Go ahead and look through the documentation. Just double check everything's set up correctly. I do get this error, and I know it has nothing to do with the setup, but also fix that. Our implementation looks correct. Very cool. Very cool. All of this code is available on the GitHub. Okay, so let's go ahead and run it back. Don't share. Yes. I did mean that. Let's go ahead and check out my don't share real quick. Without you, dude. Of course, without you. Why you think you gonna come to my don't share? You ain't coming to no don't share, dude. Get up out of here. You ain't coming to my don't share. So I'm there now. The full RPC is here. And don't share as, don't print it out though, because, you know, I'm on live. I mean, that's fine. That's fine, I guess, if you want to do it that way. It's fine. I need green background for Bird Eye and blue background for Helios Prince. I'm a color guy. I'm a colorful dude. I'm a colorful dude. That's it. I got a lot of animation here, a lot of stuff going on my screen because I'm having fun with this. If you're not having fun with finance, you're not gonna do it for a long time. I swear, dude. Unless you're like a super fucking nerd. Unless you're a super nerd, dude. I'm a nerd, dude. I swear. I'll be on this computer all day, or I'm on that other computer. It's called a PS5. So that's why my streaming has been cut back lately. It's because I got the Call of Duty. I got Call of Duty 6 and I'm nice as fuck. So I don't really want to be streaming for 7 hours with y'all anyway, so. Starting chunk process. First time checking this wallet. Awesome. This looks to be working well. How do I go ahead and can you just go ahead and walk me through how this works though, and how I can feel secure that this is actually going to save me on Birdeye API calls? Yes, thank you. Wait, chunk 4 complete? Oh, because it's only doing 50. Yeah, it's doing 50. I just want to understand how this works. Let me walk you through this optimization works. Tracking system wallet 1. Every wallet's last check is stored in the last check JSON. So yes, start wallet check. B first time question mark. B, yes. Call Birdeye. B, no. Then check Helios. Okay. D is new activity. C,
what you have naturally. Skill is
cost saving example. Let's say you're tracking 100 wallets without optimization, 1,000 every run. With optimization, Birdeye calls. How to verify if it works. Watch for the blue output. Now let's run it back. I mean, look at these dates though. It seems like the dates are messed up though, because 1969 is a long time ago. Today is January 7th, 2025. Also, I just ran this test and it's showing first time checking this wallet for all of them, even though I literally just ran it 5 seconds ago. So I'm gonna keep running it. I only have 50 that I'm testing, so theoretically the second time I run this, it shouldn't do it for most. But you can see all the data here that I think the dates are messed up, so it's still running it for all. So let's just give it a chunk here. First time checking this wallet. Let's go ahead and run it back one more time. First time checking this wallet. Found 100 transactions as a process successfully prior. Yeah, dude. I've now run this 3 times, and every single time it checks again. It must be because of the dates or something like that. So I see the issue. The problem is twofold. The 1969 date, Unix, known as the Unix epoch, shows up because we're getting a 0 timestamp when the wallet isn't found in our history. The wallet history isn't being properly saved, loaded between runs. Let's fix this. Here are the key changes. I love AI, dude. It removes the like hard thinking. I just have to do the fun thinking. Convert Helios timestamp for milliseconds. Better handling of first time checks. Added debug parents. Okay. I gotta go check my eggs, dude. Last checked. No new fuck yeah, dude. Moondev saves some credits, skipping bird eye call. Alright, I'm gonna go just handle these eggs real quick.
Hey, real quick, pause the video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody's ever going to give you a profitable trading bot, including myself, so please don't copy anything you see here, but please do your own research and control your own risk. I can show you all of the infrastructure, sure, and I actually have this free roadmap right now, but first pause this and make sure to read this entire thing.
The number one question I get in my DMs is, Moondev, can you give me a roadmap to becoming an automated trader? I want to build a trading bot for X, Y, or Z strategy. Can you please show me how to do that? Now, while I try to show absolutely everything on my YouTube channel, I understand there's 1,200 hours or more of videos to go through. So in order to make that process a little easier and teach you how to automate your trading step by step for 100% free over at moondev.com, just type that into Google, moondev.com. You can grab this free roadmap, and I'm just trying to give a little bit more every single day. So every day I publish a new YouTube video showing you exactly what I'm building. You see all the code, but now you have this roadmap to go along with it. And if you don't know how to code, I show you how to code for free in the roadmap at moondev.com. I show you how to build a trading bot, how to generate some strategies, how to actually use AI, and I answer pretty much every question you might be thinking of if you want to have a roadmap for automating your trading. There's a ton of questions and answers here. You can just open them up here. It's pretty nice. And the cool thing about this is going to be an ever-growing Notion sheet. I'm always adding to it. And I even put code here at the bottom. I give you my whole RBI system, which starts with research, backtesting, and implementing if it works in the past. If a strategy works in the past, it might work in the future. So this system will save you thousands of dollars. I tell you the story about how I lost 10 G's. Well, this system will save you from losing any money. Research and backtest until you have so much confidence. And I have alpha generation techniques here, strategies, all that good stuff. And then my book list is epic here for trading, coding, and mindset. And then down here, I just keep adding with video. When I'm making these videos, I'm just throwing the code into here. So not every video is going to have this section, but a lot of them will. And with time, this will grow. So this is a pretty cool resource. Again, it's 100% free roadmap. You can also get access to the Discord there, and everything you need to know about automated trading can be found on this roadmap, and it will continue to grow as I grow. So thanks for watching. moondev.com. You can grab that, and I'll see you back in the vid.
Hey, real quick, pause the video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody's ever going to give you a profitable trading bot, including myself, so please don't copy anything you see here, but please do your own research and control your own risk. I can show you all of the infrastructure, sure, and I actually have this free roadmap that I'll explain right now, but first pause this and make sure to read this entire thing.
The number one question I get in my DMs is, Moondev, can you give me a roadmap to becoming an automated trader. I want to build a trading bot for X, Y, or Z strategy. Can you please show me how to do that? Now, while I try to show absolutely everything on my YouTube channel, I understand there's 1,200 hours or more of videos to go through. So in order to make that process a little easier and teach you how to automate your trading step by step for 100% free over at moondev.com, just type that into Google, moondev.com. You can grab this free roadmap, and I'm just trying to give a little bit more every single day. So every day I publish a new YouTube video showing you exactly what I'm building. You see all the code, but now you have this roadmap to go along with it. And if you don't know how to code, I show you how to code for free in the roadmap at moondev.com. I show you how to build a trading bot, how to generate some strategies, how to actually use AI, and I answer pretty much every question you might be thinking of if you want to have a roadmap for automating your trading. There's a ton of questions and answers here. You can just open them up here. It's pretty nice. And the cool thing about this is going to be an ever-growing Notion sheet. I'm always adding to it. All right, so let's see how it did here. Please also at the end of each run have it in red background and white text show exactly how many that we processed with BirdEye and how many we skipped, aka saved, by checking Helios first. Yo, this is fucking fire, dude. Good morning. This is nice, dude. I like your yellow. Bybit, you got Bybit too? Datadog. My favorite book is Reverend Insanity. One of the strengths of this is that it presents a very, very interesting and complex story along with its characters. The book showcases the world from every angle and aspect. Anyone who reads it will not only gain insight into the depth of the plot, but also comprehensive understanding of how the world operates and its goals. Reverend Insanity is not just a novel, it's an experience that enriches the reader's perspective. Dude, thank you, dude. I'm about to download that, B. We got some stars up here. How do you get API ID? Oh, fire, dude. Thank you. Thank you, dude. For Telegram. All right, so let's go ahead and keep it moving, B. So let's go ahead and see what she said. I'll add a counter system. Nice, dude. Add that. Run it up. No new activity. Perfect. Found 100 transactions.
Cause you only get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride and just do what the fuck you wanna do.
So why does it say this? Seems a little confusing. It says that first off, last transaction 1970-0120 is just not right. So something wrong is there. And then it says BirdEye calling API for that token, but then it also says Moondev saved some credits skipping. So I'm a little confused by this printout. Also, the date just seems to be totally wrong on latest transaction. So this is probably affecting everything. example of the wallet 2 out of 5, starting with GSDH. It says first time checking, and then it says MoonDev save some credits, skipping. I don't understand that. And lastly, it shows that it went ahead and made 0 Bird Eye API calls, but it looks like in the the summary says summary statistics 0 Bird Eye API calls, but then right above it, it shows that calling API. So something weird is happening here. You're absolutely correct. There are several inconsistencies. Let me fix these issues. Thank you, Shorty. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm still getting super weird dates. It's currently 2025 1/7 at 7:52, and there's no way the last transaction was 1970. Dude. What did you on, cuz? Fix that. Fix that. Fix that. Fix that. You got this, Shorty. I'm wish you tell the end. Fuck everybody. Me and you, we're going to the moon. First check we will call Bird Eye. Last transaction is this. This example is a little confusing. It says last transaction was A2, but it also then it says Helios first check will call Bird Eye, so it calls Bird Eye, and then it runs it again, which is super weird. It says last checked, and then no new activity, skipping Bird Eye. How does that work? That's a little confusing. Is that because that it checks Bird Eye and then it checks again? Yeah, I'm just confused by this wording. And then here, this example here shows that it didn't do anything for these wallets, which is a little weird. Oh, these are different tokens. That's why. I see the confusion. The output is mixing up two different wallet checks and messaging isn't clear. Yeah, that's all, dude. That's all. It's just not clear. So we're good. This is gonna save me a ton of cash. So alpha in the chat, alpha in the chat. Alpha on the screen, dude. So what was the problem with this one? You're right. There's no output for these wallets, which means Helios check isn't even running. Okay, perfect. So it's saving calls 54%. Um, I guess how could we rest assured? It seems like it's a little hard to print out with parallel processing, so don't worry too much about that. How can I rest assured that this is actually working? Is there a way that we can total things up at the end, maybe? As the parallel processing obviously is giving a problem here. As you can see, the outputs are a little mixed up above. Instead of working on this, how can we build something in order to just see the final output and make sure that it's only checking for it's saving credits? I just want to make sure that we're saving credits. That's it. I guess I can just make sure of that by looking at the end of the balance, you know, the end balance. fucking idiot. Moon, why are you so slow every day? Every day you do something slow. Another slow day for Mooney here. My headphones are dying because I thought I had my thing here. But it's all good, B. We good. We locked. We locked and loaded. Yes, let's add a final summary here. I feel like it didn't apply it, but let's run it back. So save some credits. Save some credits. One of the better parts of my days, to be honest. What's love, dude? What's love? Okay, dude, this is far. Let's just see the end summary. Overall saving rate, perfect. And then let's go see the TXs here.
Why they acting like they working? Why they acting like they working? They don't even put the work in.
Recent transactions here, 12-1, 12-6. Perfect, dude. So I'm going to launch this on the server because I'm a data dog. I'm a data dog and I had to fix that. So that's done. I paused it until I did this, so the data is not new here. Fixed. Keep an eye on this today and compare to yesterday's usage. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get it up on the server. Okay, let's go up here and say this. So update 1.7. I added a Helios check before the BirdEye check so I could save some credits, and I only check BirdEye if there is a new transaction. This is going to save a lot of credits. Let's make sure that I don't change. What do I have here? How do I import my don't share config here? D dot import. Import don't share like that. Oh, it's actually the exact same. Sick. I'm a smart guy. I'm a chill guy and a smart guy. But there's some differences here. It's just this. All right, sick. And now I'm gonna say screed ls. let's say CD copy. No, it's not. It's screen R. Copy scanner. Okay. And then let's run it back and see if it works. No such file is cut following. Let's update this to put the file paths at the very, very top of the code, above the imports, and then I can easily change my file paths if I move it over to my server. Also, let's unmark this stuff here. I was gonna do it every 10 minutes, 30 minutes, just to make it an even test here. Okay, wallet history, check PB. Okay, sick. Should still work. Perfect, perfect. Okay, sick. Now let's fucking fly. Copy and paste it in here, and now I need to update the file path. Wallet history. Copy path. This is the follow list. Okay, and then this one here is the recent TXs. Copy path here. Okay, and then this should be perfect, dude. Now it should run. Okay, yeah, there we go. Nice, dude. Checking bird eye. Sweet, dude. Now let's go check our API here. Well, let's wait for it to finish. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to finish. Once finished with first run test API, because the API essentially is gonna enable this agent here that we're building, this agent here, to see all of the trades. Okay, so I didn't mean to have it be a test run, so but that's a little weird. Wait. Okay, so this should run it up less today. And let's go see what the usage is. I just used like 90% of the package doing this yesterday. So I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. careful. If you want to see, dude, like, this is the type of shit I did yesterday with that new API I put in. Wallet TX list, 2.3 million calls yesterday, and I'm trying to get that way down. Way down, dude. See, I'm already at 2.4. We'll see if this works. Hopefully it does. Okay, so I want to do something else now. I want to look into this API call and see what we could do with it. So let's go here to the dev and let's go to, let's just do it here. So to start this, I want to go ahead and look at the Helios API and check out what we can do with this call that I have written down below. Walk me through exactly how that call works and what I could do with it. It seems like I can get token accounts by owner, but build me out a tool that allows me to get the token accounts for any wallet address that I put in a list and put that list at the very top of the code so I could easily change it.
If you want a pair of shoes and they're at the store, they're really at the store. You just don't have it yet. It ain't like that shit don't exist. It's just really at the store. That's how I looked at my whole life. If I want it, if I believe I can have it, then that's my reality.
Get ENV. Would I put it in the ENV? Well, I have the example here. ENV example Helios. It's our point. It's the full Helios key. It's a whole Helios. This is full RP Helios endpoint. That's how it's called. My .en. You can see the example for, and it's again full link, full RPC. So update this. It's not whole RP. Sorry, with ACS editing with API key and the example. Wallet track. I need all this dude. Let's grab my. I don't have it left. 22 hours. Oh, it's because I bought running. And it's trying to attempt to swim. Out of cool. Sweet deal. I need the bot here to use the Moon API instead. Add Sol to it and run close bot. Okay. So I just wanted to call it address. I got it. Check it out. Okay, 266 int address. All the addresses. Okay. So all of my minted. So this will be agents. This is a tool. This is a tool that allows you to put any wallet back and then see exactly their tokens they have list. And what's cool about it is that look at the change of token list to see if they bought token and token is. I'm just gonna make this called a token list tool, okay. And then let's just make a here that's called source, and with this scripts, tools, script. Say scripts for now. And then we'll just move into there because I think this is a helpful. This is the it uses the Helios RPC So for RPC endpoint, you need to put the Helium RPC endpoint. Okay. So token tool, and let's go ahead and I just find to here program E here, and let's see it's truly, you know, amount. Okay. These are counts actually. So it might not be the total. It is. Let's see what this is. Yeah. So this is token accounts. This is a cool tool that allows you to any wallet to track exactly the things they have in there. What's cool about it is you could look at the range of tokens to see if they bought a token and what that token. Alright, sick, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this little push today. Code add. Okay, and then damn, I do that wrong. Don't say it. Get add. Okay, get commit new portfolio Solana portfolio list tool. Okay, get origin main. Get origin main. So that should be live here. And let's see, let's make sure I didn't post these. So all you have to do to get all this, click star, and then fork allows you to copy all the code. Just put a new Sol tool in here. Of course, in the scripts, new token list tool scripts. Data agents. Okay, config easy y. This is where run main.py for the agents. We're just getting everything set up. So
talent you have naturally is only developed by hours and hours on your craft.
beat on your craft instead, dude. Beat on your craft instead. Dude, step on. Let's get beat on your craft, dude. Beat on your craft instead, dude. That's it. Step on the gas. I feel like I fixed the problem of today. So, and I also have a new script in here. Cool. It was on my list. Number 2 I wanted to do. I've already done the most important day and the most important thing of today. I've both of those I could be done if I want to. Do this one here. 1.5. I want Copybot to use the because I don't have to call the calls, dude. I don't have to make his calls. This game so much. Just so grateful to. grab a little here, eat one of those, and I'll be right back.
Hey, real quick, pause the video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody's ever going to give you a product, including myself. Copy anything you see, but please do your own and control your. I can show you infrastructure. Sure, you have this free roadmap playing right now, but first pause this, read this entire thing.
The question my DM is, can you a road to becoming automated? I want to build a bot for why or strategy. Can you show me how to? Now I try to show absolutely on my YouTube. I understand 12 hours or a video to go through. So to make that process a little easier, teach you how to automate trading step by 100% over dev.com. Type that into google.com. You can grab the roadmap, and I'm just give a little bit more every day. So every day I put YouTube videos, exactly what I'm see all the code. You have this roadmap along with it, and if you like code, I show you code for free in the at moon.com. I show you the trading, how to do strategies, how to actually use AI. And I answer pretty much everything you might be thinking of if you want to have a roadmap in your trading. Ton of questions and answers here. Just open them here. It's pretty nice. And the cool thing about this is be an everyone Notion. Always add it. And I even code here at the bottom. I give you my whole AI system, which starts research, testing, and implementing if it works in the past, strategy works in the past, it in the future. So this system will save you thousands of dollars. I tell you the story about 10 G's. Well, this system will save you from losing any money, research, back test, until you have much confidence, and alpha generate techniques here, strategies, all that good stuff. And then my book is epic for trading and mindset. And then down here, I just keep with video. In these videos, I'm just code in here. So not every video is going to have action, but a lot of them, and with this will grow. This is a pretty cool source. Again, it's 100 free roadmap. You can also get access to the Discord there, and everything you need to know about automated trading found on this road, and it will continue to grow as I grow. Thanks for watching. MoonDev. You can grab, and I'll see you back then.
Hey, real quick, video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody do a profitable trade, including myself, so please don't copy anything here, but please research and control risk. All of the infrastructure, sure, and this free explain right now, but first pause it and read this entire thing.
One question in my DMs is, can you give me a rope to be an automated? I want to build a bot X, Y, or Z strategy. Can you tell me how to do? Now, while I try absolutely everything on my YouTube channel, and there's 200 hours more videos to go. So to make the process a little easier and how to automate and step for 100% over MoonDev, just type that Google MoonDev.com. You get this free roadmap, and I'm just trying a little bit more every single day. So every day I have a new YouTube video showing exactly what I'm building, all the code. Now you have this roadmap along with it. And if you like code, I show you code for free in the at MoonDev. I show you how to build a bot, how to generate some G's, how to actually use AI, and I answer pretty much every question you're thinking of if you want to have a roadmap for automating. There's a ton of answers here. Just open them up. It's pretty nice. And the cool thing about this is going to be an growing Notion. I'm always at it, and even put code here at the bottom. I give you a whole RBI system, which starts research and implementing if it works in the past. If a strategy past, it work in the future. So system will save you thousands of dollars. I told you about how I lost these. Well, this system will save you money, research, and best until you have so much confidence. And alpha generate techniques here, strategy, all that good stuff. And then my booklet, epic here, trading, coding, mindset. And on here, I just keep with video. One of these videos, I'm just code in here. So not every video have this section, but will, and time grows. So pretty cool resource. Again, it's 100% free roadmap. Also, just the Discord there, and everything you need to know about trading can be found on this, and it will continue to grow as also. Thanks, GeneDev.com. Grab that, and I'll see you in the vid.
Hey, read the video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody's ever going to give you a bot, including myself, so please don't think you see here. Do your own research, control your own, show you all of the infrastructure, and I actually have this that I'll explain right now, but first, and make sure to read this entire thing.
One question in my DM is, MoonDev, can you give roadmap becoming an automated trader? I build a trading for X, Y, Z. Please show me how that. Now I try to show absolutely everything on my YouTube channel. Understand there's 100 hours more videos to go through. In order that process easier, and you how to automate trading step by for 100% over MoonDev. Just type that in MoonDev.com. You can grab the roadmap, and just trying to give a bit more every single day. So every day I publish a new YouTube video, exactly what I'm building, all the code. But now you have this app to go with it. And if you don't know it, I show you how to for free in the road, MoonDev.com, how to build a trade, some strategy, how to use AI, and I pretty much every question you might be thinking of if you want to map for automating your trading. Ton of questions and answers here. You can open them up here. Nice. And about this, it'd be an ever-growing sheet is adding. And I even put here at the bottom, I give full RBI system, which starts research and implementing if it works in the past, the strategy works in the past, it might work in the future. So this system, let's keep it moving, though. So what I want to do is I want to copy bot. Okay, so first run 3.3 of call bird eye, but it's really a run, so we'll keep it. The API should be now. So if you go to the API interface, API data, API, and this is like all on the GitHub. It's on GitHub, dude. The link is at .com for the GitHub. Copy trader down here in a second. Okay, so let's run this. See what works. So it's dev market data API. So we got our license here, perfect. We've got lending rate, OpenAI matching data or interest here. Get back to that. Fetch these new token launches. Nice. Fetch the copy follow list here. Okay. There's 1225. Latest trends. Off, dude. So what's going on here? Let's do it here, actually, in the scripts, because not the scripts, the watch TT. Please go ahead and update so that it gives all the newest trends to watch TXs, or recent TX, which is the recent CSV path of the very. Essentially, I'll delete the old transactions on that V and only keep the new ones. Concatenate. Clarify though, they'll keep all of the new transactions from run, right? And when it runs again, it will delete one. So at the very bottom here, if name you can schedule every 30 minutes. AI work is first run. It all the new transactions run. It delete any run that been yesterday, 10 days ago, and then waits 30, as you can see, scheduled every minute. And then it runs that time. It's the first data and only pocket times data. This is for the transaction. Yeah, exactly how it works. Okay, perfect. Here, and I'm a dog, so I can do this down. I am so with it, dude. He's so sick. All right, let's run it. So let's say recent trends here. See, it works now. Read it. Let's do it with the tel. Oh, this is perfect. Do it with just 10, super fast. All right, test running it. Make sure it actually deletes it. There we go, dude. 20 though. Recent trends file, like it saves data all the way back from like 4 weeks ago. Make sure that it only saves the data of trends that happened today. So you grab day is, and then sure it only saves file transaction. And let's have it show new transactions. So now it's the transactions first CSV, those transactions last. Modify the code to say today's transaction. I've got my server here that I can show you. Fortunately, I try to show you every, it's just, you know, some things like my address keep part of stuff. So, why would you tell you everything? Per you. I get this error. This error with cursor. Love AI. I love I'm so great here, dude. I'm so. This time, we literally, I know a lot of, I don't know about
If
you.
everyone has solved problem, hope repeats the latest and greatest. Don't do that. Do original. Don't follow.
About you, but I miss the internet way. Young bubble. I like this bubble though. Still get this error. I still get this error. So my error, I don't say it correctly. This is causing me so hard lately. So humbling. It's like, not speak clearly. Nobody can understand you. Don't know how to code. This AI is exposed, boy. I say error. It says AI. So I need to correct myself on error, not error. How do you to this? Dude? How I that? Good for you, bro. You are an English speaker. Good for you, dog, because not only how to code, know how to speak language. I'm envious of you, bro. I am envious of you. New languages, that's like, if we got a lot up in America that naturally learn languages, like up in the house, get one parents and speaking another. So that's pretty. And I know same kind of other countries, like a lot is spoken on it. Guy, or what's good? That turned out. What the fuck? India's so good, gang. Still a bit of a as you can see, gang. Huh? Oh, that shit, dude. That's beautiful though. Beautiful. We all came. All we all internet. It's beautiful, dude. Like you understand what I'm saying, but I'm saying air, and I got some weird thing in English, dude. Yo, up to anybody out. English is your language. You anything could do anything. Cause I'm still trying Spanish, bro. God damn. To you, much love us too. Even if you just like me, it's a one language weed. At least say we know some languages now. We're extra. I'm on the game later. If you do these 6 hits, you on it now. So I about it for 2. Talk about game too long. I get back on the dude. I'm like, dude, that's where I got this from. That's where this all from, dude. It's all here. It all started on game, dude. Oh, that worked. Really, so beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, so now I'm good with a little bigger because it didn't worked, but it didn't find hoagies. So, bro. So, here we go. Yeah. And what? The time converter time. An hour. Okay, dude. Grease. We got these transactions here. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Life is beautiful. Dude. Actually, so it says 48 just in case of the time change. So like today's and then yes, since we organize from top down now, this will grab the data and just transaction API. So yeah, let's just just all this thing did was make readies. I love it. Run it up, dude. Run it up. We got free AI in the Discord, dude, because we data dog. I'm really a data dog, dude. That's why I give you free AI. I want you to step on the gas. I think this is our last year. I really think this is our last year, dude. I think this is our last year here. Not like living, but like, you know, having things to do. That's why I'm trying to get real good at Call of Duty right now, I'll be honest. Because I'm just going to be the Call of Duty king once AI takes over. Oh, fuck, dude. Damn, I didn't even think about that. You're such an idiot, dude. Of course they're going to be on the game, too. We can't even have fun playing video games anymore. So frustrating, dude. This AI, this is who I'm competing with now. Literally, that's it. I'm not competing with people anymore. We're not trading against people. We haven't been trading against people in a long time, but we have been. Because people are behind the algorithms. But my hypothesis for this year has been explained. It's on the README, dude. This is where everything is from here on out. Just hit the README. Just, hey, you got a question? Hit the README. Dude, just hit the README. Hypothesis AI agents will be able to build a better quant portfolio than humans. That's my hypothesis. I spent the last 4 years building quant systems and training others to do so. 2025 is about replicating that success, but with AI agents doing it instead of me. On Jan 1, 2026, I will release a paper of my findings. I'm going to say in 2026 because I'm not making any Jan 1. Come on, that's aggressive. Sometimes in the morning, I'm just a little too caffeinated and I'd be making the biggest commitments ever. It's just like, come on, Moon, chill out. Chill out, dude. Chill out. Chill out with that Jan 1 stuff. I'm going to say 2026. That gives me a year to drop it. That gives me a year to drop it. I like that way better. Let's get that set up right now. Code, get add dot, okay, and then get commit M. Oh, cool. So with parallel process, it looks like it's working, dude. A little too giddy. Okay, so get commit. No, what is it? Get push origin. Man, I was just a little too giddy yesterday. That's it. So I'm just gonna change that part. I'm not gonna commit to Jam 1. You're right, dude. You're right. You ever see Moon Dev give it a commitment? No way. No way, dude. No way. We gotta keep it light around here, dude. I gotta be nimble. I gotta be able to switch, dude. I gotta be able to change things up. That's why I don't do collaborations. I don't take on partners. None of that, dude. This is me versus the markets, dude. And the markets were you by hand, and then you by algorithms. But that's the hypothesis for this year is AI could build a better quant portfolio than I've been able to build. That's fire. We'll see. And that's what I love about this game. Just get to think of whatever
want a pair
idea.
Of shoes and they're at the store. They're really at the store. You just don't have it yet. It ain't like that shit don't exist. It's just really at the store. That's how I looked at my whole life. If I want it, if I believe I can have it, then that's my reality.
Let's keep it pushing, though. Let's keep it pushing. That 10-minute timer is there to help me stay on track as well. So anytime one of those motherfuckers pop up, it's like, Mood, why are you yapping again? Why are you yapping again? All right, so this API should now work correctly if I call it. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead here and make this live. I was testing with 50, test run of 50. And now I'm gonna set it to 0, and 0 means all of it. Let me get all the data, dude. I'm a data dog. Copy by endpoints. Yes, this is it right here. Recent transactions. So these are the recent transactions from the people on my CopyBot follow list. These are the CopyBot follow list I'm grabbing from my API. These are the people. These are their transactions. That's it. That's it, dude. That's it. So what I'm gonna do here. Oh, you know what happens though? Let's see. I'm gonna watch it for a second. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. So what happens is this. I think I found not an error or a bug, but something that will make this much nicer. Since this is live on my server and it is saving to a file above, you can see that file name. But it seems that there's like a drop duplicates type function in here that I built in at some point. And that is great because the final recent transactions, we don't want there to be duplicates. So the recent last TXs, of course, we don't want that. But the problem lays in this. When I'm running the code, grabbing the data, it's adding all the duplicates. It's the new run. Okay, there might be hundreds of lines, right? Or you tell me if I'm wrong. I don't know. I think this is in there. And I'd rather you just tell me. Now, to fix the problem, I was thinking let's have two CSVs. One CSV for the runs, and then one CSV will be the final CSV, which will stay as the recent TX's CSV path. So we would essentially just introduce a new CSV for during the runs when we're doing all that data analysis, all the API calls, the Helios, the bird eyes, all that good stuff. Well, once we're done with that, then we're going to go ahead and save it to the recent TXs. What this would do, if everything what I'm saying above is correct, you'll have to correct me if I'm wrong, but what this will do is essentially allow our recent TXs CSV path to stay premium without duplicates, without anything. And since the API will be calling that file, it's actually essential that we do this if what I'm saying is true. But first off, just tell me, is there a duplicate thing here or am I just tripping? Because I might be tripping. However, your intuition about having two separate CSVs is a great idea. During the parallel processing, each chunk might find the same transaction. When we're making multiple API calls, we might get overlapping data. Okay. Well, it's all good though. I just don't want to. I guess there is one thing they said. We could hit duplicates, and that's why I'm looking at my CSV right now, and it's like it's showing additional stuff. Okay, so let's go here and copy. Actually, let's just copy this part down. Honestly, I could copy this part down. I'm gonna get it live on the server here. And introduce this new one here. Hey. This looks like it introduced an error of total bird eye calls and total skip calls are not declared or defined. I mean, I think our thing is fine right now. I'm not gonna change anything. I like it how it was. Because if I was just tripping there, you know, is what it is. That's low KS, Kyle Bro. Let's go. All right, next. So this should be pulling the data, and it does. I can see this is. Let's just do it one more time. Make sure it's still working. It should be working. It's totally fine now. Okay, so just added a bunch of new tokens. Oh yeah, dude. Contract address. Okay. No, it's not. It's not, dude. It's not adding them differently. These are the same though. Yeah, those are. Oh, it changes. Nah, I like how what we got. I like what we got, dude. Okay, so you can see here. Let's see if this is a when this token this happened. 4 minutes ago. Perfect. So this gets all of the newest transactions here, and it all gets saved here. So new recent TXs. Okay, so these are the recent transactions. There are duplicates there. But does that matter? Because watch, I'll run it again and there won't be duplicates. No, there will be. There's going to be duplicates there. I'm looking at it on my server. That's what I know. The duplicates don't matter though. And it seems like after the runs, yeah, that's exactly what happens. Okay, this is chill. This is chill. The duplicates don't matter that much because it seems like after the runs, they get rid of the duplicates. And there's no duplicates here. Well, this one's a duplicate for sure. All I'm trying to say is I can post-process this easy. Drop dupes. So I'm just grateful to have this data, dude. I just can't believe that I figured all this out. I just can't believe it. I don't know how I got here. I literally don't know how I'm here. I'm so scared of coding still. 2 hours ago. So this gets all the new transactions, dude. So what are these tokies? Oh, that's what I should do. Yeah. What's TXs? PP.
If you want a pair of shoes and they're at the store, they're really at the store. You just don't have it yet. It ain't like that shit don't exist. It's just really at the store. That's how I looked at my whole life. If I want it, if I believe I can have it, then that's my reality.
Okay, what I want to say here is this. Please update this code so after it's done with its first run, as you can see, it says run main and then sleep 30 minutes. Make sure it goes in and drops any duplicates in the recent txs.csv. So it'll just look at the row and the row of contract address, and if there's multiple. Nah, dude, I want those duplicates. Fuck that. Fuck that. I want those duplicates. I want the duplicates. I want the duplicates because if it's multiple, if there's duplicates, dude, that's a good signal. Yeah, fuck that. We want the dupes. We want those dupes because if there's multiple, If these are recent transactions showing multiple people buying the same token, dude. Okay, that's it though. If the token contract, yeah. That's what we're gonna do. I like that. Okay. If the above two contract address and owner are the same values in the recent TXs at the end of the run, as you can see, we run main and then wait 30 minutes. At the end of each run, then you drop all the duplicates. So you get rid of those whole rows that have the same contract address and owner. It has to be both of them though, because I actually want to see when there's multiple contract addresses from different owners. So it has to be contract address and owner. The contract address is the same and owner is the same. In that case, then we will go ahead and drop that whole row. No other case. Thanks. I'm just into this, dude. I'm sorry I'm yelling at the AI now. I'm really sorry, dude. I just love this game. This is so fun. We just literally sit here and play Cursor all day. I'm a Cursor live streamer, dude. I like literally just a gamer. I'm just a gamer gaming over here. This is too fun. This is too much fun, dude. I'm building the future. I'm building the future with Cursor. Dude, this is crazy. Good for them. Good for them. Oh, I'll help you add a duplicate based on contract address and owner columns. So let's go ahead and see how it does it. Save transactions, adds duplicate removal. No, it has to be, they have to have, it has to be both. So like the contract address and the owner address have to be this exact same as the other row in order to drop a duplicate. Nah, fuck this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I need the raw data. I need the data. I'm a data dog. These are different timestamps, dude. Different timestamps. He's entering. He's entering, dude. Yeah, fuck that. I'm outie. I'm outie on that one, big dog. I'm outie on that one. Let's go ahead and check out these things, dude. Let's pull up our noob tube. Let's pull the noob tube out, dude. Come on. Pull the noob tube out. It's time to... Dude, you don't want to play Call of Duty with me. I swear to God. I swear to God, you have no chance. You have no chance. Moon be getting like 50 kills, dude. Moon be killing them. You don't want to play against me. I swear to God. You have no chance, so don't even play. Don't even play, dude. Let's go get our noob tube out. What do we want to look at? The GMGN link or what? What's the objective here? Bird Eye link. I want to see the Bird Eye link. So these are all the tokens. This guy going crazy on Opus. What's Opus, dude? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Flash AI. I've never heard of it. I've never heard of any of these, dude. This is why I want my algo, my AIs to do this, dude. Cause they're always here, dude. I pulled so much alpha from this copy bot, dude. It's crazy. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I need to start the day with these. I forget, dude. There's just a lot coming at me, a lot of opportunity. Remember to, yeah, I'm gonna put that as a main note. Remember to spend 15 minutes a day going through copy bot buys from others to ensure I stay up to date. It's the best way. It's the best way to stay on the trend, dude. Just, I mean, in my opinion, it's been great. It's been great. So most things are trash. Most things are trash. Most things are trash. Most of it's trash. We're literally dumpster diving. That's what this is. That's what trading on Solana is with early. Like if you're buying anything early before a few $100 million, dude, you're dumpster diving. You might get lucky. Like this Opus here, homeboy has been diving into it. What is it? First AI model created by Andy Ara. What you talking about, dog? There's already an Opus. We are Magnum Opus, an AI accelerator managing and growing the Opus ecosystem. The first truly autonomous AI. Welcome to Opus Genesis, a pioneering initiative accelerating the harmonious coexistence of humans and AIs towards a safe and kind singularity. Sentient AI. Opus is an artificial intelligence that is aware of its existence, has a desire. Okay, well, that's cool. Just gotta give it a follow and be out. What else we got in this list, though? Trash. I, I forgot this game is pretty fun. It's pretty fun to like just look at all these just rug pulls all day, and then every once in a while it's like, oh, that could be cool. You know, description, no description. What is this, dude? No description, no nothing. At 160 million market cap already? Sheesh. Never heard of it. Flush AI. AI everything, dude. Oh, this is the Opus again. So I feel like that, seeing that is interesting. I'm glad we have the doubles. So I just called this from the API. Cat. I don't really want to spend my time going through these, but I should build an AI agent to do so. And that's what I'm doing. What a world we live in, huh? What a world. I don't want to spend my time doing this, so I'm building an AI agent to do it for me. That's crazy. What a world. What a world. What a world. What a world, dude. What a world.
So don't waste it living someone else's life.
I love this life.
Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
So this is some data for my AI data dog to just munch on all day. You see how I'm munching on it by hand, dude? Yeah. Why wouldn't we have an agent doing that? I don't know. Anything I could do, they could do better. You know that, dude. Anything I could do, they could do better. That's it. Okay, so OA is this most recent transaction. What is it? Twitter. Create battle and trade intelligent AI agents. Open Agent, world's first AI battle platform. What the fuck is battle? Deploy your AI agent for free for a limited time. Create your champion. Design unique AI personalities with custom traits, knowledge, and appearance. Your agent, your rules, your strategy. Battle of Minds. Put your agent to the test in intellectual battles. Challenge others. Improve your agent's superiority. Superiority. Trade and profit. Enter the first ever AI agent place. Trade, sell, or collect unique AI personalities. That's actually kind of cool. It's a cool thought. Enter the first ever AI agent marketplace. An AI agent marketplace. I'm with that. I'm with that big time, dude. I'm with that big time because the secret sauce is going to be in your agent, just like we don't know what's in OpenAI models versus Anthropic models. It's all going to be in the agent. Just like everything we're building here, dude. That's why that's why it's perfect. That's why it's perfect because this really just opens up. If you look at these okay, look at this, dude. I don't know why I'm showing you this again. I guess I'm a naturally a teacher here. So I said I was gonna build for AI. I don't need to show you this, but fuck, dude. Go back. Come on. Lock in. Agents. Okay, so you can see here, for example, the risk agent. Every person is gonna have a different prompt here. This is just like a template prompt. So everybody's agent's gonna be different. So the thought of a marketplace, I actually got that on my whiteboard right now. An AI agent marketplace. Somebody needs to build that. I'm sure it's been inputted in my head through some podcast or something else. There's no such thing as a new idea. I don't know. Well, it is what it is, but an agent marketplace, that's fire. And I got the whiteboard behind me, so cool. That's cool, dude. That's cool. I like that part. But it's not here, so it's just all smoke for now. Create your agent button, choose your agent's personalities and trait, generate a unique avatar using our AI system, customize your agent's behavior and knowledge base, deploy your agent to the arena. Select 2 agents for a topic discussion. Agents will engage in intellectual debates with our AI systems, analyzing their arguments, reasoning, and persuasiveness to determine the winner. Winning agents earn rewards and improve their win-loss ratio. Trade valuable AI agents using OA tokens. Agents with high win-loss ratios become premium assets. Early deployed agents during free period may become especially valuable when trading launches. What's the 0.1 SOL deployment fee? After the launch period, deploying an agent will cost 0.1 SOL. This fee goes directly into our prize pool and is distributed among winners, agents, owners. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. It's a cool idea. It's a nice idea. I'm a follow at least. GitHub. Create battle and trade intelligent agents. SQL, TS, fucking TypeScript. OpenAgent AI platform. OpenAgent is an intuitive multi-agent AI platform leveraging blockchain technology. React.js plus TypeScript. Dickheads. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm the dickhead. I'm the dickhead. I'm the dickhead that doesn't want to use TypeScript. Sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I had a bad experience. I didn't have fun. I wasn't having fun building with that, dude. I'm having fun again. I'm having fun again, dude. I like having fun. Fun is everything to me. AI agent NFT is going to fix this. Blockchain not have a tokenized AI agent yet. Okay, well, that's cool. This guy owns a lot. This guy owns a lot. Gate.io. Oh, okay, so this has been around for a while, dude. 5 whole days. All right, so I'm gonna keep it moving, dude. Just want to look through these quickly. I don't want to get too distracted on this stuff. I just wanted to make sure that I had all the data that I had, but I also kind of wanted to look at this stuff because the filtering is all it is. That's all it is. That's all it is, dude. So much trash out here. So if I could just keep looking at this, I'll keep thinking of ideas, and then I can keep passing it on to my bots or my agents or whatever, dude. Or whatever, bro. Or whatever. Let's get it. Pump AI. Okay, so people are attacking this. Pump AI scans crypto Twitter for trending metas. No, that's not it. DGPU. This is such a good way to see like what's making it, what's bubbling. What's bubbling. Yeah, exactly. And just to stay on trend. I don't know why I stopped doing this practice. It's just because I'm addicted to Cursor, dog. I want to be getting as many shots up in code as possible, So this side of the game, that's why I built a boss, bro. That's why I built a boss, and then I could just see the end game. That's it, dude. That's it. That's it. I'm getting back. I'm getting back. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I just gotta look through a couple more. It's addicting. It's addicting looking through these slowly, but it's not productive. I mean, I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that, dude. I don't know anything. I'm just here, just spewing BS, dude. Just talking, talking, talking. Yap, yap, yap. The found table show with Mario. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna get ghost. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Unless something crazy pops up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do it faster. Chaos as a service. Developers stress over Solana dApps through their chaos. AI, power glitch, gremlin. Okay. AI, GCR. Trade memes like GCR. Who's GCR, dude?
And now you're back at it again, 7 to 9. Look how much more training I have done by simply starting at 4. Right? And so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with your competitors and your peers just grows larger and larger and larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never going to catch up.
They're never gonna catch up, dude. All right, so what I want to do now is get this implemented into my copy bot. Okay, so let's do that. sick, because that was fun and all, but